Okay, small child. We've got a big push at the bottom of a slippery 2-meter long 1.1 ramp. So we've got a ramp that's 2 meters long and it's got a height of 1.1 meters. And the question is, and we give him a speed of 6 meters per second. The question is, what's his speed at this point? Now you have to find the acceleration. Remember, acceleration is equal to g sine theta, but we don't have theta. But we can find theta because we have, this is theta, this is the opposite, and this is the hypotenuse. So if I can say sine of theta is equal to 1.1 over 2.0, now then I can solve for theta. Now in your calculator, that'll be sine negative 1, parentheses 1.1 over 2.0, and that'll give you an angle. So then once you do that, you can say, you can plug this in, is equal to g sine theta. Once you know this angle, plug that into here, and then you will get your acceleration, all right? Now note that your acceleration will have a negative value because gravity is pushing the frog backwards, right? And then you're going to simply use what I like to call equation 3 in the kinematics equations. V2 squared is V1 squared plus 2ax. And you're solving for V2 squared. We know what V1 squared is. That's 6. Plug that in there. You know, of course, too, a is the number you've gotten from g sine theta. And x is 2, right? Because the length of the ramp was 2. We know everything except for V2. You'll have a square root involved, but that's how you solve it.